What are the common reasons why Ring Doorbell won't connect to Wi-Fi?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the common reasons why your Ring Doorbell might be having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, because we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in.
Insufficient Wi-Fi signal strength.
One of the most common reasons why your Ring Doorbell won't connect to Wi-Fi is insufficient signal strength. The Ring Doorbell needs a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection to function properly. If the signal strength is weak or if there are obstacles between the doorbell and the Wi-Fi router, it may struggle to establish a connection. To resolve this issue, try moving your Wi-Fi router closer to the doorbell or consider installing a Wi-Fi range extender to improve the signal strength in that area. Ensure that there are no large objects or walls blocking the signal between the doorbell and the router.
Incorrect Wi-Fi credentials.
Another common reason for connectivity issues is incorrect Wi-Fi credentials. If you recently changed your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, or password, the Ring Doorbell will not be able to connect using the old credentials. To fix this, open the Ring app and navigate to the device settings. Double-check that the SSID and password entered in the app match the ones for your current Wi-Fi network. If they don't match, update the credentials accordingly, and try connecting the doorbell again.
Wi-Fi network compatibility.
Sometimes, the Ring Doorbell might not be compatible with your Wi-Fi network. Certain Wi-Fi routers or network configurations can cause connectivity problems with the doorbell. To address this issue, ensure that your Wi-Fi network meets the compatibility requirements specified by Ring. Check the Ring website or user manual for information on compatible routers and network settings. If your current router is incompatible, you may need to consider upgrading to a compatible one.
Network interference.
Network interference can also hinder the connection between your Ring Doorbell and Wi-Fi. Other devices operating on the same frequency or nearby networks can cause interference, resulting in a failed connection. To troubleshoot network interference, try relocating the Wi-Fi router away from other electronic devices or objects that may interfere with the signal. Additionally, consider changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router to a less congested one to minimize interference from neighboring networks.
Firmware updates and app compatibility.
Sometimes, the firmware on your Ring Doorbell might be outdated, or the Ring app on your smartphone may require an update. Outdated firmware or an outdated app version can lead to connectivity issues. To ensure you have the latest firmware, open the Ring app and navigate to the device settings. Look for any available firmware updates and install them if necessary. Similarly, check your App Store for any updates to the Ring app and ensure you are using the most recent version. And there you have it. These are some of the common reasons why your Ring Doorbell might not be connecting to Wi-Fi. Remember to check the signal strength, verify your Wi-Fi credentials, ensure network compatibility, address network interference, and keep your firmware and app up to date. We hope this video has been helpful in troubleshooting your Ring Doorbell connectivity issues. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.